Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from Rakuten Credit Card. So step number one is to access cash advance or the loan services. So just log into the Rakuten Card app or website. So on the main dashboard, you can look for an option like cash advance or any related loan withdrawal service. So you can tap on this to begin the process. And then next is to enter the amount and transfer details. So just enter the amount that you wish to withdraw, keeping in mind that your available cash advance limit. And then from there, just select the registered bank account, like for example, the Rakuten Bank, where you want the money to be deposited. Next is to review and confirm terms. So review all the final transactions, details, including the interest rates, and any transaction fees that you may also need to choose the repayment plan. For example, single payment, installment, or revolving. So it depends on you. So once you're done, just confirm you accept that terms and proceed. Lastly is to complete and wait for a deposit. So enter your security code or password to finalize the request. So the withdrawn funds will typically be deposited into your designated bank account within 1 to 3 business days. So depending on the bank and also the time of submission. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in our next one. Bye!